Hello, John.
So we are another weekend. This weekend's all about refitting engines. One to the green Defender, and also one to the red Discovery. That's up on the ramps at the moment. So what we've got here is we've been very lucky and sourced ourselves a crate engine directly from Land Rover. As you can say, it comes pretty bare. So what we've got to do, just working behind me is Carl and John, and what they're doing is they're taking off all the ancillaries of the engine, which are going to be transferred over from that old one to the new one before it's then put into the Defender. What we did on this one earlier on, you saw us dismantling some engines. So this is the engine that's due to go back into the red Discovery. So this one's had new pistons, big end bearings, new cylinder head gasket, all new cylinder head bolts. Obviously rebuilt, and it's pretty much ready to be put back onto engine mounts and put it back in. And then what we'll do is we'll then mate it up with the gearboxes, and hopefully we'll, in the next sort of weekend, we'll be to the point where we can actually start running them up.
So what have you been up to today then, John?
Well, not a lot.
What do you mean not a lot?
There's not a lot I can do. I've been on the tools once a day and
You bring your brush with you, did you?
No, the brush coming on Sunday.
I thought you said you were on the tools.
I was on the tools.
Ah, but I said you bring your brush with you.
I was helping Tom today on the tools.
Oh.
Size 10.
What were you doing?
Size 10.
Size 10, what feet?
No, spanners.
Oh, spanners.
Aye, size
What, 10 mil you mean?
Yeah, I went up to 13mm socket.
Oh. That's
it's
really
not
on the
bad.
that's
It's
really
not
on the
bad
tools,
today.
isn't it?
It's
So
not
tell me
bad
what's been
today.
going on then.
Well, the boys, they stripped that one down.
Right.
I got all the
Come on,
parts
come on out here then.
Aye, come in here. Come in here. Come in here.
Are you on the shows, are you?
See, I've not done this, right? We'll take the parts off of that one and we'll put them on this one, see?
So is it, what size engine's that in?
That's a Land Rover engine.
What one?
Aye.
What Land Rover engine is
It's a
it?
TD, it's a TD.
TD
Aye,
what?
so about this big. Not that big.
Is that a
That's-
300
that's it.
TDI, is it?
That's the same, it could be that. That's the same as that one there, see?
What's the same as that new one there?
That's a new one.
So you mean you're taking all the bits off of that one there?
Aye, all the bits
and putting it onto this one here?
All the bits on here. You can
So
tell.
Tom, what you been doing? You've been putting all the bits on this?
John's done
Is John been doing it all, is he? Aye. Is he supervising?
Right.
Oh, is that what it is? Aye, aye. What's all that like in the background there?
That one of them discotheque things.
No, it's not a discotheque, mate. Oh, no, it's not. That's blue lights. We want purple lights for a discotheque, didn't
No,
we?
we don't want blue lights up here, eh?
I know.
You think we're on the
What
road?
with some red lights?
You think we're on the road?
Oh, I know. I'm getting you a picture there. What else is happening then?
The place is a wee bit of a mess. can see down the bottom there. I'm not too happy about that.
Did you get all the wiring out of there then?
Aye, we got the wiring out of there.
Aye. How did you do that?
Aye, we stripped the loom.
The loom?
Aye, took the loom out.
Is that the back loom or the front loom?
It's the front loom.
Oh, it's the front loom, is it?
Aye, it's the front loom.
That's
See,
front-
that's the back loom.
That's the back loom there, and that's the
back
front loom there,
That's
is
the
it?
front loom.
Aye, aye.
And it's a wee bit like a bungalow because there's nothing up top.
There's nothing up top.
Aye, a bit like yourself.
You said that about me yesterday, didn't you?
I did, aye. And I repeat myself.
As usual.
I'm going round in circles.
Running in circles.
Aye.
What's all that bang in the background
I
there?
don't know. Somebody's.
I think that's Duncan there. Duncan's on there banging there, isn't he?
Let's see
So what else is happening here, John?
Obviously not a lot.
So are they going to put that engine in here today?
I don't know about the day. I don't know about the day.
See, Mac's been taking all that wires out of the loom there, isn't he?
Taking all the loom, yeah.
All the looms, aye. The back loom or the front
Oh,
loom?
it's the front loom.
Front loom.
Aye.
What one do you sleep in?
Aye, back loom.
The back.
I'm in the back loom. It's the only place.
You're the back loom?
It's the only place I can stretch out. The back loom.
Oh, is that right? Aye. You got speech impediment?
No. What do you mean by that?
See when we say the front loom,
I've got a
we mean the
speech.
wiring. It's the wire. It's not to do with where you sleep at night.
A wireless. Are we putting a wireless in there?
No, we're not putting a wireless in. We're putting a music system.
What? One of them stereo things.
Not a stereo.
Aye, stereo.
A stereo.
Aye, stereo.
That's like the wheel, isn't it?
Huh?
The bit at the front, the stereo.
That's a steering wheel. In the loom.
The stereo in the loom.
That's how you can tell.
How's that?
The back loom to the front loom.
Aye.
The one's got one of them wheels in it.
Stereo.
Stereo
The
wheels.
stereo loom.
Stereo wheels. Aye, right.
What was Duncan Dane sat down there resting?
Make a racket though.
Aye, he's making an awful noise down there, isn't he?
I'm not too happy about that.
And what's happening in here then?
A bit of a play on that, see?
Bit of
A
play on that.
A bit of a play.
A bit of a play on that.
So that'll need to be fixed. We'll get onto that tomorrow.
Right, so basically what's going on today is, as John's no very articulately said, we've got one 300 TDI engine here, and that's going to go into the red disco there.
Maybe know the day though.
This 300 TDI engine, all the ancillaries have been taken off that to be put onto this brand new 300 TDI, which is going to be put into this Defender here this weekend. So Tom's been working on that with John's supervision, obviously, who's been getting in the way. And
At least I'm not in the bush today.
yeah, he's not in the bush today. Like he's
I've
fairly,
got the shoes
he's
on
got his
for it
shoes
as well.
on today. Like his wee trainers weren't that good in the bush yesterday.
They're white.
And then
Not allowed to wear white and green.
Ministry of Silly Hats over there is Rob. He's doing the welding in the cab here. So what's happened also today is the wiring loom was in an absolute mess with all add-ons, and the guys have stripped all the wiring loom out apart from the main front wiring loom. Rob here, as you can see in the background, I'll no flash onto that, is welding in the bulkhead removal bar.
What about this one here?
Right, that one there is having that 300 TDI engine put into it. So, and also on the back end, Duncan's working on, we're going to put new springs and new shocks on here this weekend. So he's stripping this one out the new. It's having a bit of a bind with it actually, if I was being a bit of an arse. And the front's already been done, although partly done.
Not playing that one.
And the two back ones are going to be done this weekend as well. So this one here, although it might not look like it, is no far off being MOT ready. All the welding was completed today on the back end. Like I say, all the shocks, by the end of this weekend, all the shocks and springs will be in. Hopefully the engine will go back in tomorrow, along with the 300 TDI engine into the Defender there. Are you off for the weekend then, John, you
Off the
saying?
weekend, aye. I nearly
Who
finished
gave
it.
you permission to do
My
that?
boss, aye.
I never gave you permission.
Aye? You're not my boss.
Who is then?
It's 4:15. Right,
Who is
you
your-
need to be
who is your
tidying
boss
up
then?
and getting up the road.
Up the road?
Aye, up the road.
Well, you got your commander then?
No, I'm not going to come out.
Well, that's up the road, isn't it?
Up the centre. That's where we need to be.
Who says you can go up the centre?
I don't know. What do you mean, who says?
Who said?
Oh, that's a bit harsh, isn't it?
Are you going to your wee teepee in the bush?
Aye, up the bush.
Right, I'm saying no more on that one.
No, I wouldn't. Anyway, you've gone round in circles.
No, you're the one walking around in circles. You're not doing a lot of work, are you?
I know. Look at the nails. Look at them.
Oh, that's living in the bush, you're clatty, you are.
I'm not clatty.
You need to get a right wash, you do.
You need a wash. I'll see them on Tuesday when I come back.
Tuesday, how's that?
I've got a couple of days off. Look at stay my hanky.
Who gave you a couple of days
Aye,
off?
my boss.
Is that the one you tie around your head, that hanky?
No.
When you go to the beach?
Tie that around your head. Look at the state of it.
Ah, when you go to your beach,
Look at
aye.
the state of it. How can you tie that in your head?
You never blew that out your nose, did you,
I
surely?
never my nose and I never come in. No, I'm in either. Aye.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and on Twitter at VIA Charity.